Hello and welcome to Sattva. Jojoba oil is known for its various benefits, being it from an excellent face moisturizer to promoting skin health. But do you know that jojoba oil can also be used as a makeup remover, sometimes as a primer, and it also helps in making your skin very smooth so that the makeup can glide on it very easily. Instead of using all those makeup removers which contains a lot of chemicals in them, you can definitely opt for jojoba oil, which is natural and removes dirt, bacteria, and in fact you can use it to remove your eye makeup as well. Now I'm going to show you how to use jojoba oil to remove makeup. First step is add few drops of jojoba to a damp cotton ball or cotton pad. Then wipe over your face and eyes. You can use multiple pads if you use lots of makeup. If there's still makeup in your lash line, add a drop or two of jojoba onto a cotton swab and run along the lash line. When all the traces are removed, rinse the face with water. Now wipe with a damp washcloth or you can use your favorite cleanser. After this, apply a drop or two of jojoba to your face. Many women don't know how to clean their makeup brushes and find the idea a little bit daunting. Makeup brushes need to be cleaned on a regular basis, otherwise they harbor dirt and oil to your skin. Here I will be showing you a very simple method in which you can easily use jojoba oil to clean your brushes. I will be using Sattva's jojoba oil, baby shampoo, you can use any brand, and water to clean makeup brushes. Jojoba oil helps soften the brush, which loosens more makeup and helps keep your makeup brush clean. Now let's move on to our method. Take a paper towel. Now pour a few drops of jojoba directly onto it. Now take your makeup brushes and scrub them in the jojoba that's on the paper towel. Place a small amount of baby shampoo onto your fingers. Wet the brushes and swirl them around. After some scrubbing and swirling, just rinse with warm water and set out to dry. Make sure after cleaning your brushes you dry them up before using them. That's all for this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from Sattva. To watch our other videos, click here.